Hey guys, it's Tyler LaPierre here from Inferno Airsoft, and the whole team is here at Subway.
Not the whole team. I think there's 2 people gone.
Yeah, 2 people are gone, but yeah. So we're gonna order at Subway, and we're hungry and we want food.
It's gonna be good.
Yeah, real good. So
we just gotta wait for them to go, and then it's our turn. Okay, Tyler, do you want to go first, or?
I'll go first.
All right, I'm next. And that's Dylan.
I'll take them all.
Tyler, hurry up, go.
Jesus Christ, Maverick took a freaking drink of my monster.
Yeah, he was chugging it down.
Tyler's got his monster that he got for how much?
No, it wasn't $1. It was $3.
$3?
$3. The monsters right there are $1.79. And they're the same size. Oh my god. I'm gonna sue this place, I swear to god. Get behind me. Oh, I'm just kidding. Oh. Well, whatever.